How's it going, everyone? This is 3 Dewalt charging solutions. They all kind of go together. We'll start with the middle one right here, which is the fast AC charger right here with 2 USB-C ports. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and we can get a nice close-up look at it. All right, and here it is. So you can see this one with the 2 USB-C ports and then the 1 USB-A. The 2 USB-C ports are fast charging. So we have the 45 watt and a 20 watt charger, and then just the 18 watt for your USB-A. And those pair nicely with these cables that we have behind here. If we look in the back, we can see it's got this nice plug and play little flip switch right there. I like that, so it sits nice and flat against the wall when you plug it in. So overall though, feel, quality, very Dewalt style, very good quality feel, solid piece. We'll go ahead and put that right down, and let's actually have a look at this. This is a Type-C micro USB to USB, and this is a 6 foot. Let's go ahead and pop this one on open. So the first thing that I do notice about this, having it in hand, is just the quality of the cord. This is not like your average USB-C cables or USB cables. So very high quality feel. Got the little Dewalt tabs that wrap the cable around, which is kind of cool. And let's go ahead and have a look at the 2 ends right here. So we have USB-C to a micro USB right there. So USB-C to micro USB, so you can use that if you need to. And then this side is USB-C to USB-A. So this is kind of a one-stop solution for really all your charging needs. Throw this into your vehicle and you've got, depending which port you have to charge, you can use either one, and then your USB-C or your micro USB, which a lot of things use micro USB. 6 foot long cable, reinforced, very nice. I like that. That's good feel. All right, let's go ahead and pop this one open, and this one is a 20 foot one. This is quite heavy because it's long. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see. All right, so yeah, again, quality feel. This is like the Kevlar lined braided line right here. So really high quality. Actually, this one is even thicker than this one right here, which is interesting. And so yeah, 20 foot long. So this is huge. Well, I'm not gonna be able to show you the full 20 feet on camera right here, but it is a long cable. And we look in the ends, we have the USB-C right there, which is nice, and USB-C, but this is the USB-C, which is angled, and the angled ones are super handy. Let me grab my phone right here. So I got my phone right here, and we go ahead and plug the angled piece in right here. And this is the cool thing about the angled pieces, is when you actually are like holding your phone, it's actually comfortable in your hand to hold with the angled cable. When you have it like plugged in here like this, the longer way in, it's a little bit harder to hold your phone. It's a little bit weird feeling, so you don't really want to play with it while it's charging. So the angled end is just super handy. And yeah, these cables are like, this one is long, so you can put this one in your vehicle if you need to, but this one might work in like an office setting, being a really long cable. But just again, super high quality. Then obviously you're plugging these in right into your charger, and that goes into the wall. Or if you want to plug this into your vehicle, you can. And then this one gives you the double option. So if you want to use USB-C, plug it in. If you want to use USB-A, put that tip in and put there it is. There we go. And that's in just like that. So great charging solutions from Dewalt. Really good quality.